Feeling overwhelmed by the idea of opening a new bank account? Are you worried about mountains of paperwork, endless phone calls, and a process that drags on for weeks? You're not alone. The truth is, many people put off moving their money to a better earning account simply because the thought of the A-word, application, is just too daunting. But what if I told you that opening a BrioDirect savings account is so fast, you could do it while waiting for your coffee to brew? It's true. The application process is designed to be quick and painless. In fact, you can complete the online application in just minutes. You heard that right, minutes. BrioDirect knows that your time is valuable. They've streamlined the entire process to get you from application to account holder as quickly as possible. All you really need to get started is a smartphone, your contact information, your social security number, and a form of ID like a driver's license or passport. Once you have those things handy, it's a matter of filling out a few screens. It's seriously that simple. You can even make your initial deposit through an ACH transfer, which is usually the fastest way to get your money into your new account. So, while the idea of a new bank account might sound like a huge undertaking, the reality with BrioDirect is that it's a small step that can lead to big returns on your savings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.